That's just a ratchet.
Uh-huh. When you pull, it spins that shaft. Oh, I can't see. I'm sorry, tap it, or I didn't mean to stop you from doing what you was doing, but see,
Oh. Yeah, that's just part of the ratchet.
Uh-huh. But you're saying this whole deal.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's try it. But I tried turning it with and then also hitting it with a hammer, but I did no good.
It looks like.
I know what I did. I'm trying.
Right there.
I know my memory fails me, but it was turning fine
I don't understand it.
when I came in here the other day to think. But I will say this: I did thin the gas, and it could have got too hot, and then when it cooled off, it was seized. Go. Ain't moved. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, yeah. Why is it locked right there?
It's stopping.
Yeah.
Look over here, Fred. Wouldn't it be fun? Wouldn't it be fun if there's a bolt in there? Do I sound like an idiot? Trying to don't be recording my case. Yeah, there's a bolt in there. Go real slow. I'll just sing the bolt. Oh no, no! Look right here how rusty it is. Right there. Okay, keep going like you was. Other way. Yeah, look at that. Look how good.
That's just a cooling fan there.
Yeah, but no, right here it ain't. That's where it's locked up at, Fred. Look.
Oh, something hitting it over here on this side?
No, look right here now. Get right here on this side. Look how rusty that is. Look, that's what it is. It got hot. Right there.
Oh, I see. It's bumping against the stator.
Uh-huh.
The stator's too tight. That's what it is.
Stator's too tight?
Yeah, it's too tight.
That's a new,
Let's see. There's something about the thickness of the business card.
Fred, when you say stator, yeah, it's hitting right there.
Yeah, it's hitting that plywood. Okay.
That, is that stator come with the new, what I just put on?
Dan, this paper here.
It sure was hitting, wouldn't it?
Yeah, let me
Smoked me a left-handed one.
piece of this.
See, you don't throw stuff away. You write a rap song and call Freddie B. That's that new one I just put on.
Right. It's not adjusted right. Okay. And you know what size Allen is?
No, sure. It's right there. It's this right here.
This one? Oh, this one.
Yeah. All of them are torch, believe it
Oh,
or
this
not.
is torch. This is torch up here.
I might be wrong. I probably am.
This way. Okay.
I can't say.
Yeah, they're torch.
They,
Okay.
yeah, it's a bigger size torch like that.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you
See how it slides?
You, I bet.
What you have to do is
Look here, that's probably good right there, Fred.
No, you can't. You can't go by that. Leave it there. paper or. It's right here in my hand.
I see what you mean. You do,
Yeah,
you
yeah, you-
adjust it just like points.
Here it is.
Oh, I laid that on.
I'm gonna tell you what,
Get that on there, son.
you gotta have it on that
Well,
flat
it's-
side though.
Okay, there's that. Let me turn it around.
I'm glad I
I need
didn't
to
go
turn
to
it.
yanking on it with
I
a
need
Stilson
to
wrench.
Turn it to the magnet.
Okay, now set it down, Fred.
Hold on.
It needs to,
Magnet, yeah. Oh, there it is. It's on the magnet there. Okay, now, let me see if I can slide this in there.
you wanna come over here? Can't see from there, can you? Yeah, come on.
Let me get a little thinner.
About the size of a credit card?
Yeah, usually around, I think around 3,000 or so, something like that. But you can't use a feeler gauge because it's round.
I see what you're saying.
Okay, let's see what that do with the rent. Here it is. Let's tighten this down.
Oh yeah, that's, you can see that's up off of it, Fred. Do you call that the flywheel below it?
Magneto, whatever.
Reckon I should try to clean all that rust? Or
Usually doesn't matter. You can.
don't, it's not worth messing with.
But it's not. Okay.
Can you name again everything you've done on this, Doug?
It'll take me a minute.
Okay, what you were
It's still bumping. So it's not thick enough.
Got to raise higher.
Oh my gourds.
Real quickly, Brenda.
Mm-hmm.
Replace the carburetor.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can't think of it.
You were talking about the piston.
Loose. Brenda, what is that right there called? That we just put on yesterday?
It's a core.
Coil, Brenda, coil. And he's adjusting the,
It's what's called a stator.
he's adjusting the stator.
Okay. Yeah. Get this one around. On that magnet.
I can see what you're doing from here. You may push it through, Fred? or- What it was, that stator was sitting down on top of the magneto,
Oh,
and it wouldn't allow us to turn.
okay.
See if I can slip it in this one. I'm not really getting in there like that. See if I can slide forward now.
You're close, Fred. Yeah, you're under this one. Is there just one? Yeah, you're under this side.
There'll probably be a part of the coil here and here, or it may be all the way across. And it creates an electrical field as it passes,
Mm-hmm.
and that produces a spark.
For cranking.
If this don't work, we'll just have to find something a little bit thicker.
My head. That's it. That'd be too thick, Fred. That worked. Look at that.
Oh, it's freed up.
Yeah, come down a little bit tighter. Alright. Yeah, motor wouldn't froze up at all.
Thank God it wasn't frozen up, man. It's full. Let me tell you one thing though. It never will be froze up because it is slap full of
Oh, yeah.
Marble mystery.
Marble Mystery. It's got enough.
This is a flush oil.
Brand new. Let me pour that Marble Mystery oil out. Oh, you gonna just test it?
See if I can test it. Probably can't spin it.
I got a regular tester over there. Did you see it?
Let's see. Do here. Well, really, our part's finished. We might as well put that back on.
Might take me a little bit, but
Probably have to pull this to engage it. Let's engage it now. Okay.
let me make sure, Fred,
Just tighten it up.
I use the right ones. One, there'll be 5, 3, 4. There's a long one on bottom, but reckon I borrow that torch, right? I think this is it here.
Is it, you got the right size?
I don't, a little big, but this'll hang it, Fred. Yeah, that'll keep us out of the bind.
Is it this size?
Yes, I think this is better. There's one goes on bottom, but it's longer. And it was in there. Yeah, it's one of them over there. But it'll be torch. I put everything in my cup. Make it easier to find. But I'll find out which one's the torch. I'm glad we didn't give up. And I've learned that from Fred. Don't ever give up because you'll throw away a brand new item. And look at all we've done to it to make it good again. Okay, there's a bunch of tightening down here. I hope I can just get them. And this might be all it does. I cross-threaded that, I'm afraid.
Maybe strip it there.
Yeah. I've got one from...
Both of them on top tight.
Yes, sir. That's all I'm concerned. Trying to think about... I don't think it was on bottom, but I'm gonna try. I think it could have been. Yeah, it was on bottom because it has all that plastic in between. Okay. Fred, what do you say? I pour this oil out?
Yeah, if, whatever's loose in there, you know, that will pour out.
Okay.
And I kinda have in mind that we might be able to take ether and shoot pretty good slug in that cylinder and on the spark plug. And
Dry it out.
get it outside where we
Okay.
have the
Blower.
blower real handy.
And get all we
And we'll
can.
blow out what we can.
Okay. We're pulling that oil out now, Brenda.
Okay.
Per producer, spend money. Have to get that oil out because it'll foul that spark plug if you don't. That oil, Mr. Always part of it in there.
We'll let it sit for just a few minutes and let that evaporate as best we possibly can, because what we just did was wash the cylinders into the wall that this could reach. It's gonna wash those walls. And
Get you in between and wear off that distance.
yeah, we'll go like that. So we'll just give it a few minutes to reset, and we can take it back in.
And here's our number in case y'all need help. All right, thank you. You're part of it now. Okay, on. I'm
Could
gonna
I,
poke it.
could I do it?
Yeah, it fired first time. Open that door. It's out of the number there. The reason it's smoking when there's the gas is a little rich. I need to finish. I was wrong a while ago about the reason it might be closed up.
Don't be disturbing us. We're in a suicide pact.
Yeah, shut that door. We ain't finished yet.
You told me to shut the door.
But I'm not dizzy yet.
No,
Shut
he's-
the door.
He's kidding.
When you first fall asleep, if somebody don't wake you, you work.
You're there.
It works.
This is foggy now.
Yeah.
Fred, that did it, didn't it?
Yeah, that was it.
How will we
Take
get
it
out of
Looks
this?
like we got good spark, so
I'm gonna need a blower. Should I go get the blower from up the house?
No, we're good. If you just open the door, it gets all smoke out.
Everything that we had told you is in the place. It's almost like me.
Okay.
This is disgusting.
Fred, you're a good man. Thank you so much for helping.